Hello everyone, in my hand is the new product that Vivo will release soon, the vivo X200s. It's equipped with the latest generation of processors from MediaTek, the Dimensity 9400 Plus. Okay, let's just look directly at the phone. The one in my hand is a relatively fresh color called mint blue by the official name, which also sounds very fresh. From the naked eye, it appears to be a cyan color with lower saturation, and it comes with a silicone phone case that matches the color of the phone itself. The charging head provides up to 90 watts of power and supports direct power delivery without going through the battery, directly powering the system. This was previously a feature exclusive to gaming phones. Additionally, it comes with 40-watt wireless charging, and the battery capacity is 6,200 milliamp hours. Returning to the phone itself, there are two significant changes between this vivo X200s and the X200. First, the screen has changed from a curved edge-to-edge display to a flat screen, making it easier to apply protective films. Second, the frame has been updated from a glossy metal frame to a matte metal frame, offering better wear resistance. In terms of design, the vivo X20s adopts a design similar to Apple's, giving off a strong Apple flavor. Both the back panel and the screen are embedded into the frame like on iPhones, showcasing the same process. The edges have rounded corners, enhancing the grip feel. When the screen is turned on, you'll see a 6.67-inch full-screen display with very slim bezels. Though not yet equal on all sides, it's a significant improvement compared to previous models. The front-facing camera hole is also small, eliminating the large black holes and chins that users often complain about. Different manufacturers using different screens is a problem that plagues many users, the issue of screen lottery. Users who get BOE screens might be happy, while those who get VCN screens might feel a bit disappointed. However, this time around, the vivo X200s uniformly uses BOEQ10 materials, ensuring consistent quality across all units, thus saying goodbye to the screen lottery. When turning off and then on the screen, you'll notice something remarkable: a super-sensitive fingerprint sensor. A single touch unlocks the device extremely quickly, even when wet. During fingerprint enrollment, it supports one-time enrollment, allowing you to simply press your finger in circles on the screen to complete the process effortlessly.